Hi guys, I'm Billy, I'm a designer, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these cute and simple Animal Crossing fruits and the iconic fossil and leaf. So I'm starting off with a square canvas. I picked the background colour, I decided to go for a light pink, and I'll use brown for the outlines as it creates a soft look and turn my drawing assist and symmetry on. I started out with a little point at the top, dragged it down and around, added two little leaf shapes underneath, and then added this little wave towards the middle. Then I made a new layer, turned drawing assist on and started on the apple. So I almost made a heart shape with two bumps at the bottom, a little stalk and coloured that in. Similar wave to the bottom like the peach. Then I turned drawing assist off and added a couple of fruity freckles. Again, new layer, drawing assist on. Not much for me to say on this one other than draw a small curve at the top and big one on the bottom as a pear shape, and then add a stalk and add some fruity freckles. Onto the cherries. Again, new layer, drawing assist on. I made two circles, but this time I used the select tool to move them closer together as I didn't want them to be exactly symmetrical. With the drawing assist still on, I drew a slightly curved line at the top, then dragged the line from this curve to the circles, turned drawing assist off and continued the line into the circle, finishing them off with a horizontal line. Then I drew a bubble on each circle, ready to give the cherries a shine later on. I did end up making the stalks a little thicker at the end too. This is the last fruit, so new layer, drawing assist on. I created a circular shape, added a small flat and horizontal shape at the top, turned drawing assist off and added a little branch with two leaves on. Then I added some little dimples to the orange, and I also put a line through the leaves just to add a little bit of texture. Time for the fossil. I made a new layer, but this time I turned my drawing assist off. I created a jagged, generally round shape, then made a swirl on the inside, bringing that swirl together with a horizontal line at the end. Then I just made a little diamond and star shape, and that's done. Final thing, the leaf. You can do it more accurate than I've just done it, but I started out with a new layer, drawing assist off and drawing a C shape. From there, join the line into these two bumps and then around and down into a point, bringing it back up into the other side of the C shape. Add a stalk and then add a line down the middle with little ones poking out. And that's all of the outlines done, so it's time to get colouring. I went on each fruit layer by layer and just coloured it how I wanted. I find it really useful to go on Pinterest for colour palette inspiration. I have a Pinterest board that I update all the time with design inspiration on it. I will link it in the description for you to take a look at if you like. And here is a final step you can do that I personally think makes a massive difference. So what you want to do is first get a copyright-free paper texture of some kind. There is some on Unsplash and Freepik that I'll link below. I added that on top of the peach on its own layer, put on the clipping mask and tried out some blending modes. I ended up using divide this time. I then went to adjustments and played around with the brightness and saturation of the paper texture layer until I was happy with it. When you look up close in particular, it does make a huge difference to the overall piece, so I went ahead and duplicated that paper layer and put one above each fruit, also selecting clipping mask for each one. Then I made one final layer right at the bottom, adding in a boho shape from this brush pack and using the select tool to make it larger behind my fruits. Placed them all in the middle and then exported them. Once you get the hang of this, it becomes really easy to do it. I timed myself on this and managed to do all of them in just under 14 minutes. And there we have it, some finished cute simple fruits, a fossil and a leaf. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment too, it would all be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon.